In this course, we'll cover Domain 1 for the CISM certification. And if you buy more than one of these courses, you can of course the second time around ignore the introduction and ignore the tips and tricks on how to study. It repeats throughout the 4 courses. The CISM curriculum is huge. You do not need to know any of this in depth, but you need to understand the entire curriculum and how it works together. And I also know many of you will have much more in-depth knowledge on some of the areas, and you might think to yourself, yeah, but Thor, there is so much more to that. And I understand that, but the point here is to get you CISM certified. So I'm going to try to limit the knowledge to exactly what you need to know, nothing more, nothing less. And that really is the key to the CISM certification. Answer everything from Isaga's point of view. Follow the processes, know what we do first, last, what is the best and the most efficient way to do something. Where I'm seeing many students struggle is they're used to doing things. They're hands-on techies, which is not what you do on this certification. You are an IT security manager, you're a risk advisor, you are a CISO, so answer every question as if you were in one of those positions. We don't do anything, you're not a hands-on techie, you're not a C-level executive, you're not doing stuff. You're following the vision and the mission statement of the company, and you're using the policies to design the procedures and the guidelines that we follow. And remember, people are always more important than things. We follow the proper procedures, and everything in IT security is based on proper analysis and return on investment.